Ever wondered where people keep their money safe and sound, while maybe even earning a little something extra? I mean, think about it. You work hard for your money, and you want it to be secure, right? But beyond just keeping it in a piggy bank, which, let's be honest, isn't the safest or most productive place, there's a whole world of banking accounts out there. And that brings us to something you might have heard of, a TD account. Now, when someone mentions a TD account, it can actually refer to a few different things within the banking world, specifically if they're talking about TD Bank. TD Bank is a pretty big player in North America, and they offer a range of accounts to help people manage their finances. So, when we talk about a TD account, we're generally talking about an account held at TD Bank. The most common type of TD account that comes to mind is a checking account. Think of this as your everyday money hub. It's designed for easy access to your funds for daily transactions. You can deposit your paycheck, pay bills online or with a debit card linked to your checking account, and withdraw cash from ATMs. TD Bank offers various checking account options, often with different features like minimum balance requirements, monthly fees, which can sometimes be waived, and even interest-bearing options. These different tiers cater to different needs, whether you're a student, a senior, or someone with more complex financial needs. Then there are savings accounts. While a checking account is for your day-to-day spending, a savings account is where you can park your money with the goal of letting it grow over time. TD Bank offers different types of savings accounts, often with varying interest rates. The higher the interest rate, generally the more your money can potentially earn. These accounts are great for saving up for a specific goal, like a down payment on a car, a vacation, or just building a financial cushion for the future. While you can access your money in a savings account, it's typically not designed for frequent transactions like a checking account. Beyond the basic checking and savings accounts, TD Bank also offers other types of accounts to meet more specific financial goals. These could include money market accounts, which often offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts but may come with certain balance requirements or limitations on withdrawals. You might also encounter certificates of deposit, CDs, which are accounts where you deposit a fixed amount of money for a specific period, and in return, you typically earn a fixed interest rate. CDs are a good option if you have a lump sum of money you don't need immediate access to and want a predictable return. So, when someone talks about a TD account, it's important to understand the context. Are they talking about their primary account for paying bills? That's likely a checking account. Are they mentioning where they're putting money aside for the future? That's probably a savings account. Or are they discussing a longer-term investment strategy? That could involve a money market account or a CD. In essence, a TD account is simply an account held at TD Bank. The specific type of account, whether it's a checking, savings, money market, or CD, will determine its features, how you can use it, and how it can help you manage your money. Understanding these different types of TD accounts can empower you to make informed decisions about where to keep your hard-earned cash and how to make it work best for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.